Okay, we got Night Owl. Night Owl. The skin has changed on Night Owl on this build, and I think it makes it a lot easier to use, um, faster. It's lighter. It's smaller. It's got this. The skin comes with that auto trailer, so when you hold the cursor or over a movie or TV show, if available, it'll come up with a trailer for it within 5 seconds. All right, Night Owl is a character from the Watchmen comics. I don't know if he's based from Night of Owlman or Batman. I mean, he's not in the same league as in fighting style as Owlman and Batman, but it's still a good character. I mean, Watchmen is one of my favorite films. Doctor Manhattan, as you can see by my icon, is my ultimate superhero. If I could be one, it'd definitely be Doctor Manhattan. I mean, no one could beat that fella. All right, no one can beat him. Anyway, so you use the downloaded code. You choose the downloaded code will take you to a website that has over 100 different Kodi forks. You can use any of the forks you want, but as we install in the Night Owl build, I'm going to use the Night Owl Kodi fork. You can choose between a 32-bit or 64-bit, depending on your device. For those who've got a Samsung Galaxy phone like I have, or something, or Shield, you can use it. You're supposed to use the 64-bit fork. But if you're on a Fire Stick, use the 32-bit. And you just follow the instructions, the prompts that come up. And I just selecting, pressing the button, select on each. Here, I normally just press OK for the video, but you guys, you don't need track on this, don't you? No, you don't need track or Debrid on this one. This is a non-Debrid build. I think there is something on this skin that allows you to install Fen if you wish. You can use this Fen or the other ones as a search. I'm not too sure if it'll download it for you, but there is a build that is similar to this. That is the Debrid called Nickflix. You can get it from the same wizard using the same fork, but this is for non-Debrid people. You still have 4K and all that. The add-on that is used in this build is a Debrid. It's a Debrid add-on that gives you Debrid add-on. Yeah, it's a free add-on that gives you Debrid links. That makes sense. Okay, so you press OK. What do you do now? You launch the build. So normally when you launch the build for the first time, you're waiting for the wizard to kick in and for it to do its uploads, downloads. So I always recommend people to shut it down after a while, relaunch it. Sometimes you have to relaunch, shut it down again and relaunch it a couple of times. I mean, this build has a lot of widgets, but it is a small build. The zip file, as you saw, is very small. I think when it's unzipped, it's about 277 megabytes, so it's still a very small, light build compared to, say, like King Kong or Dr. Manhattan or Dig Xenon, which is over. It can reach over a gigabyte. Okay, so I'm just shutting it down. I can't remember why I did this. And then when you launch it, when you shut it down, you need to give it a couple minutes before you launch it. But if you just shut it down like I just done and press to launch it again, it's going to take a while for it to pop up. As you can see, the wizard's doing its stuff there, deleting packages, etc. And there you go. You just basically got two sections. And if you go to the right, you wait for all of that, you're going to have all these different widgets pop up. I guess if you click on the word movies or TV shows, it should take you into the add-on. But there you go. And yeah, I'm just going to demonstrate that if you just leave it for about 5 seconds, a trailer should pop up. There you go. That's a trailer. And this one, five seconds, 6, 7, taking a bit of, I was kicking in there. 10. There you go. I'm personally not into watching trailers, but some people are. And there you go, guys. All right, enjoy. If there's any kind of build you guys like or want me to show or whatever, let us know. We had some good builds come out. A Spanish one. We've got adult builds. We've got all kinds of builds. Big builds, small builds. All kinds of builds. All right then, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.